In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up appointment booking in GoHighLevel. First, open your GoHighLevel sub-account and land on your dashboard. This is the control center for everything you'll configure. If you manage multiple locations or brands, double-check you're in the correct sub-account so your calendar lives in the right place. Next, head to the Calendar section in the left-hand menu. This is where all your appointment types, team availability, and scheduling links are organized. Think of it as the home base for everything related to booking. From there, go into Calendar Settings. This is the setup area that controls how your booking experience works behind the scenes, including the rules for who can be booked and how long each meeting lasts. Now click New Calendar. You're creating a fresh scheduling option your clients or prospects can use. Starting a new calendar keeps things clean and makes it easy to tailor the settings without affecting any existing calendars. When prompted to choose a calendar type, select Round Robin. Round Robin is ideal when you have a team that shares the same type of appointment. It automatically distributes bookings evenly across the selected team members, so no one person gets overloaded while others sit idle. It also helps your prospects find the soonest available time because the system can draw from multiple calendars at once, while still respecting each person's availability. Give your calendar a clear, descriptive name. Aim for something your clients will immediately understand, like discovery call, onboarding session, or consultation. A good name reduces confusion and ensures invitees know exactly what they're booking. Next, select the team members who should receive bookings from this calendar. Choose only the people who will actually host these appointments. As a best practice, make sure each person has their working hours and personal calendar connected in GoHighLevel so conflicts are avoided. Set the meeting duration to 60 minutes for this example. This determines the length of each available time slot and affects how many bookings can fit in a day. Pick a duration that matches your real workflow so you're not rushed and you can deliver a great experience. Finally, click Confirm to save everything. Once confirmed, your new Round Robin calendar is ready to share. You'll have a booking link you can add to emails, landing pages, or your website, and it will automatically route appointments to the right team members. That's it. Your appointment booking is set up and ready to go. If this walkthrough helped, give this video a like, leave a comment with any questions, and subscribe for more.